Hi friends, welcome to our channel Food and Happiness. Today we are making a very simple yet delicious green vegetable salad. You can serve this as a side dish or a meal on its own. Now let's note all the ingredients. Now note the ingredients for dressing. First, take a big bowl and add 1 onion sliced lengthwise. Add chopped capsicum. You can even use red and yellow capsicum. Add chopped carrot. Add chopped cucumber. Add chopped tomatoes. Remove the seeds before chopping. Now add chopped cabbage. Add chopped lettuce. Add peeled and chopped apple. You can even use green apples. It tastes very good. Now let's mix all the vegetables nicely. Now let's prepare a delicious dressing for this salad. This sweet, spicy and tangy dressing will add extra magic in your salad. Take a bowl and add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Add 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. Now let's add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar. It's time to add 1 teaspoon of oregano and 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes. Let's mix everything well. Now let's pour the dressing on salad. Give it a good mix and your healthy and delicious salad is ready to be served. You can serve it with lunch or dinner and also you can enjoy this fulfilling salad as a whole meal. I hope you all liked today's video. Please share your comments and like and subscribe to our channel. Please check out our other salad recipes here. Thank you and take care.